I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over.
What's up, everybody? We are back with race number 15 in the truck series. I'm gonna go for 3 wins, get that extra pay. Just want everybody to know that watches my videos, I really enjoy playing all these games and being able to make content for you guys. Oh no, this is the dirt. This is the dirt truck series. Oh, I remember this. Alright, we're gonna start last. Make it interesting. See if that's 70. Oh, sorry. You should get some drafting help from the 38. Driving backup car. Alright. Let's go.
Coming to the green, drivers. Be ready. Hammer down, green's out. Got one inside. All clear. Clear high, clear high. You got room, you're clear. Car high, careful, all clear.
This is my chance to take him out.
Still there. All right, you're clear. Hold your line, got one outside. All right, you're clear. Inside and out, both lanes are moving. Inside.
No caution. No.
Wave them guys off, caution's out.
Alright, that was my fault. Just having a little fun with the 23, it's okay.
We're going green. Almost ready. Green flag, green flag. Five to go this time by. Still there. All right, you're clear. Clear low. Car on the outside now. Clear high, bud. All clear. All clear. That was a great lap. All clear. Clear high, bud. Car outside. You're all clear up top. Car outside. Clear high, clear high. All right, you're clear. Stay on the bottom. All right, I need 2 more good laps from you. Far there on your outside. You're all clear up top. Car outside. Hold your line.
Come on.
Clear high, clear high.
Can I make it happen?
Bring it home. Got a car high now.
Last turn. Might
All right,
get
you're
third,
clear.
guys. Yep, third place in the Dirt Truck Series. Let's go. Slide to
Top
the...
5. Awesome.
Alright, that's not bad at all. That is not bad at all. And I'm 8th. Hit that like button, subscribe, share, comment down below for more good content. anyways, like I was saying before, I really do enjoy making these videos. I want to better my videos. I want to be able to record video with all my videos. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so I can get the equipment to do that. Hit that like button, subscribe, share, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.
Work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over